Hey, good morning. How you guys doing today? We'll be right soon to be able to start the stream. Guys, get ready for another trading day. Yesterday was a bank holiday, so I apologize for not trading yesterday. but the price action wasn't too good per se. But we'll see how doing today. So, okay, get started soon. So, so how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone is doing well. You guys had a good break weekend. It was a bank holiday yesterday in the U.S. for President's Day. So, yeah, feel free to type in chat if you guys want to. Have any questions, have any comments, have any. So, on the market yesterday, we had this. Let me check. We had market come up to this previous high. So I'll just go in the weekly. To my strategy for forex usually is I go to the weeks highs and lows to mark out space where price could eventually price could eventually come and go. So I just use that as my final like stop loss and take profit. Then these are their lows and highs are like the daily ones. So that's what I use for like the okay. Let me explain more. If I was to take a trade here, I enter my position here. This will be my first take profit because this is a high on the daily time frame. This is my second take profit because this is also a high on the daily time frame, and this is my final take profit. I noticed that price went wait. I noticed that price went over the came back to the resistance. I know here price was under the resistance. Now price came back into the previous resistance and that we took in around November. So I want to quickly highlight that. I'm gonna go in the 4 hour, 1 hour chart and show you because I remember we actually took this trade, made like 30 something on it. Can't really say. Um, honestly, yeah, we actually did made full of makeup of bugs there. Makeup of mm, uh, we did a good amount on this. I remember for the ticket trade, it went all the way up. Took off first because the prices are really slow. It was around the end of the week. Yeah, it was around the end of the week we finally entered. And beginning of the opening trade there, we went down, then went up. This was in my initial stop loss. Wait, hold on, I lied. Let me check. 3 million. I know we didn't get stopped out of trade. What was this 2 weeks ago? GDP. Wow. So this was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, whatever. Let's just focus on the chart for today. So we have the pound dollar. I really like um I really like the uh, the dollar Swiss franc because it really has a good taste to it. It really it's like how do I put it? It's like it follows the trend. It follows the trend, the whole trend. Like if it's going down, it's gonna go down. If it goes up, it's gonna go up. It's not like using two things at the same time. I don't know why these things are still here. I reset my chart a couple times ago. Yeah, we made significant profit off the other one. Yeah, we made some. This was from the pound dollar. We could have made more, but we were just seeing it was one of our first trades. So we put 3 micro lots. We had 3 micro lots in wait micro yeah 3 micro lots. So with those 3 micro lots, we use a lot of things there. So let's pull up the economic news for the day. Economic news. So we're gonna pull it up right now and show you guys. So this is yeah. We're gonna go to the economic news, or we're gonna focus on money. We don't care about like this was significant, but it's not something we do. I want to quickly check something on Friday because they say because of what happened with the Swiss franc. I just want to see why. If there's any economic news that will back this Swiss franc up. Was this Friday? No, Friday. Yeah, this one. At like 4 in the morning. So that's why I want to quickly check. On Friday, they said President Trump speaks. Nothing at 5 a.m. Okay, we did. We had the no. Wait, this was in Europe. So the PPI, is that what you're saying? Affected that? I don't think so, really. I feel it's just technical. So let's just go to for today. Go to today's news. So today we're in. It's gonna filter this. We don't want on this. Apply filter. We don't trade Aussie. I don't think we trade that. We don't trade the Aussie. We don't trade yen. We definitely don't trade the yen. I think everything else I trade. Okay. So GDP. Oh, I always call it GDP. Sorry if I call it GDP. I just tried to say pound. Oh, like GDP, GDP. You get what I mean? But we have two reds for the pound. Can't add something. So I can move this down. I can't. No. Okay, so we're gonna see some bearish movement for the pound. So that's what's happening right now. So for those that are new to forex, basically all you need to know is that the pound versus the dollar. That basically means that the pound has more value than the dollar right now. So whoever is up is the one like leading. So if let's say the pound is not doing well, that means the pound dollar is gonna go down. If the dollar is not doing well, that means the dollar is gonna go up. If that makes sense. I think it's still the same thing for yen, USD, yen. So if you have USD yen, that means oh, I don't think I'm showing. Oh, my bad. You know. what I was saying was that we have the pound dollar right here. If the pound versus the dollar, that means the pound has more value than the dollar. So if pound is gonna go down, like if they say the pound is losing its value, that means it's gonna go down on the pound dollar. If the USD is losing its value, that means the pound dollar is gonna go up because if that makes sense. Yeah, so that's basically what happened. Same thing with the USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, we had that. Okay, we have these technical analysis that I want to show you guys. I didn't take any trades today. So quickly, I just want to touch on the pound dollar research review. I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame. I'm gonna see what is up. Welcome back, FOREX Factory. Talk about the pound dollar to see if there was any hot stories. You see that labor market UK. This is big. This is big. So I don't think I'm quite gonna trade the pound just because there might be a gap. There might be a gap because of this labor market. If a payroll the employee decreased by this amount, it's gonna decrease by this amount. That means it's just simple facts. If you have no money to spend, people aren't gonna do buy-ins. If there's no money in the economy, there's no money to spend. That's all you need to do. I don't want to stress it more. Um, Apart from that, I don't think there's anything else that everyone's going short here. I knew it. I realized. Not everyone. It's not detailed per se, but most people lost their trades from going short. Most people won their trades from going long. So I won. Yes, I think people that won might have scalped. I'm not sure. Don't wanna call anyone out, but I went long on the last one and I won my trade. So okay, so yeah, we're still good because London and New York sessions are overlapping, so the volatility will still be high. So if I was gonna place any trades, I'll place it around this time. I always feel this is a good time to start trading because the more volatile it is, the easier it is to predict your or to place your trades. Because the market closes like New York closes at like 5 p.m. If once New York closes, they want to trade after hours. There won't be as much people compared to when bankers, Wall Street, everyone, regular brokers are trading compared to when it's just you and a few brokers that are still trading. So that's all I want to say about it, really. So let's just go on to Finviz. Finviz should have what we need. So Finviz, yesterday everything was down. Like it wasn't down, it was just blank. Like nothing was moving, no significant movement. So right now we have the New Zealand dollar going down right now. I don't know why. I'm gonna check the news on that, but if not, let's look at other prices. This is good. This is good. Everything is like not significant. That's all I need to say. This is significant because we're in the London session, New York session. So we're gonna check one, two, Euro, Swiss franc, and New Zealand. I wanna check the New Zealand. Nothing really for New Zealand, but we have Aussie dollar wage price index, official cash rate. So People per se might not want to do this. It's not recommended, so it's just 240, 2040. Wow. It's already in on Wednesday. One thing that still frustrates me today is like the time zone, like how a country is already the next day and you're still in the previous day. So it's just, I don't know. It's really, I still get fascinated by it. Um, Nothing really for the New Zealand dollar. Like nothing significant. I just think it's just price action. I think it's just price action that's playing right now. So we're gonna check the New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, and the last one we're gonna check today is it's going to be the Euro USD. Same thing with Swiss franc. Nothing too much. No even economic news in the next 30 hours. So Swiss franc is just based on price action. Well, it might depend on the US. So yeah. Um, we also checking the euro. See the euro any news? No. Same thing. Like I said before, we'll just check waiting on the. We're just waiting on price action. So without further ado, let's get into this. If you guys are ready, you you guys are ready to see my forex strategy. Make sure you leave a comment in the section if you think this was helpful, or if you're gonna buy using this strategy. Because I took like a few weeks off of live streaming just to learn and practice on my own. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys here. So let's go. So I'm gonna reset the chart view. We're on the weekly time frame now. We're on the pound dollar. I just want to check the pound dollar to see anything. I might not trade this because of the news that we're seeing today. Okay, so look at previous price. Price went all the way down here because I yeah, price went all the way down here for last week. Let me increase it more. Price went all the way down here. Price also decreased here. This can't happen anymore. We just have to obey this fair value for the where is it? Oh, just have to obey this fair value gap for this. So honestly, if price goes short, I'm not surprised. But would it would it finish this imbalance? Yeah, it would. So right now we have two fair values. So if price wants to so if price wants to touch either. So if we do on a 3 minute, it's gonna look so long, so big. Pause. I'm sorry. So I'm not gonna draw the fair value right now because it's gonna be really long, really sorry. I don't know how to describe it without being so. So we have this. I wanna bring back the I wanna bring back the yeah. So we did the highest lows support. We don't need this high again because this high already beat that. We don't need this high again. That was a high before it got there. So we need this low. We need that high. We need okay, we have this liquidity right here. This is beautiful liquidity on the weekly. Mm. We can also use this high. If I'm not mistaken, you can't use this high. Wait, where is the candle? Oh wow. Okay, so we already got that. So we have this high, this high. So on the daily, let's go to daily and find more highs and lows. Take that back. We have that high. Oh. So we have which low again? Do we have any other low? The highest low I can say right now is gonna be it's gonna be this one. I'm not really calling it, but that's the lowest low we can think of. The regular weekly day. So this is what we're working with this week. Since we're working with that, we go into 4 hours, see if there's any more significant. So yeah, we got this, we got this, we got this. My take, price is gonna come back to this support most definitely. It has to reduce the imbalance. Like this one is also significant. I like this significant one. So we'll just wait for price to touch our liquidity. See what it does. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. Wow. Right now we have price over the if price goes up one more time, it's definitely coming down. The only reason why it came back down is because people that have I'm not saying that like, what I'm about to say is 100% like factual is um about about let me see 70%. The people that control price action movement want to get more liquidity from people with orders. Basically, liquidity means money. So the money you put down for those limit orders is basically liquidity. So the things I want you guys to know. I want to show you this. Yeah, I can see this rectangle right here. The zone. So people call it, oh, it's a supply zone. It's a supply zone, stuff like that. I don't really do supply and demand. I just really state what I can see on the chart, right? So if I was to zoom in, for instance, take this. Yeah, price has already gone this liquidity. This is a good fair value gap, but I don't know how I'll put this. I don't know. Within 1 hour. I have this gap here. And a gap on Monday. Honestly, I want to start the new week off good. I'm just gonna make this my order block. Move. So we have this as our order block. So all we want to do is price. I want price to fully close here before I'm assured that it's gonna go down. So once I'm assured that it's gonna go down, then we can take matters into our own hands. So if you're just joining us, we're just analyzing the GDP dollar. Sorry, if I always call it GDP, I mean pound. So we're analyzing the pound dollar. So that price came up here, made this first high right over here, came back again, made this other high over here, went again and made this high right here. So we're seeing if price closes here, then we're assured that price wants to go all the way down because we don't see a strong breaker structure except for here. We don't see a strong breaker structure except from here. But soon after a breaker structure, we see a reversal. Do you think price is gonna go up? I doubt it right now because of with the economic news and everything. But hopefully we do see. And we also had a big a wide gap. So price quickly filled it up once it had that gap. So I think it filled this because of the gap. Hmm. We slightly closed below it. I don't know. Honestly, we'll just wait. I can't tell it because we have one. We have this liquidity sweep all the way down. Liquidity sweep all the way up. Liquidity. This slight liquidity is very slight because it was little. So I think that's what caused the imbalance and feel the imbalance. Continuous move down. This liquidity sweep all the way down. This large liquidity swept up. So it might sweep up, but this definitely shows you that appreciate this. Right now, I'm gonna check the sessions highs and lows, see where we're at. We just have this. We have this. The price has this low. Okay, I can see right now. So this lower low. No, no, no. Price has this lower high, higher high, lower low, and higher low. So it has this one. So honestly, might go long, might go short. If price closes a big bullish candle in the middle, then we definitely go long. Sorry, going short. So let me check the let's check the sessions highs and lows. So right now we are on Tuesday. We saw Tuesday yesterday price opened by like 19 the Asian session. So Asian session, I'm sorry. Closed by 4 per se. Closed by 4. London session opened by 3. London session opened by 3. It's about to close by about 2. They close at like 11, 12. I was like putting 12 on away. They closed by 11. Session is apparently closed. Currently, we have the New York session opening by 9. We close at like 5. So, your highs are low. We have the highest here for the New York session. I want to count this as the high, but it's imbalanced, so I can't really. We just have this low for the daily session. High, well, this will be our high. Wait, am I? No, this is our high. I forgot. I'm sorry. I didn't realize. What's it? Yeah, how I was. We have this session, so London session, we passed. So London passed the Asian session highs and also passed the Asian session lows. That's really significant for me right now. This is London session happened. This overlap, I don't know. I want to count this. I'm just counting London session with low first, then before I decide. So London, I'm gonna count this as London because there's nothing else I can really say. So New York is supposed to pass London session highs and London session lows. So what do I think? I think price is gonna go short for a while, come back to this resistance, and then just go back up. So I'll be waiting for. Okay, I think price might want to catch this fair value. Let me quickly do if I can find any New York high. I mean, that's a good New York high. It might beat this. So we have this New York high. What we're supposed to do now? What we? I think price might want to retrace to the resistance over here and just go back up and touch grass. Sorry, touch. Did I say touch grass? I'm not real. So price has this fair value gap over here. Comes all the way here. Touches fair value gap. So now we're in for a tree store for us. So this is good per se, but price just loves this liquidity. This is biggest liquidity. The reason why I might not go short because of that liquidity, and you can't beat liquidity. Like if price want to goes up, one of these going to go up. So we have this London session liquidity. So if you just join us, we see that Asian section had the high, and London broke that high, or in between them. But once London opened, it broke that high a few minutes after, like around 3:30, broke that high. Also broke the Asian session low. So this was really volatile for trading. Then we also had New York session about to break Asian session high. So it's a matter of going long. Yeah, that's all I can say really. Going long. Price might go short, might retrace and go short. We don't know. We can't say. And we just have to chill for a moment to just see where it can catch price at the best place. So we have this fair value gap right here. Price swept under it, came back up. If price sweep touches here, I know I'm going to go long. If price closes here, I'm just going to go short. So if I'm going to go short, I'm not doing a massive risk reward. If I'm going to go long, same thing. Today's trading is like, mm, it's not distinct. Price action isn't what you want to. So the other pair I want to trade, this isn't pure consolidation, so I don't really want to unless I'm scalping. And It's the beginning of the week, guys. You can't. My mind is not ready for scalping. No. Someone type in chat. I didn't realize someone typed in chat. Someone typed in chat. Someone typed in the chat box. Someone typed in the chat box. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. That's right, really well. So, what do you guys think about this? I think price gonna go long. Price might go short. I'm just gonna leave a text and see. Hopefully, someone responds.